Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 30. Day 30, you guys. We're one day away from finishing our baby steps, and of course, we're going to keep implementing these habits going forward. Today's baby step is to start planning ahead. And so, this is something that I'm really bad at. Thinking about birthdays and getting the gifts in advance and getting the card in advance. Like, I am the person buying the gift, buying the card, buying the gift bag, buying the tissue paper, all the store on my way to the party. And so FlyLady wants us to not do that and not stress ourselves out in that way, but to start thinking ahead, looking at the calendar, see whose birthday is coming up. The holidays are coming up as well. Start thinking about who we want to give gifts and what we want to get for them, so that we're not last minute shopping for holiday gifts, not last minute shopping for birthday gifts, and making that our norm. So we're going to start making a habit of looking ahead and planning ahead. Another thing to start looking forward to is the basic weekly plan with the FlyLady system. And so this is every day, FlyLady has something allocated for that day that we need to focus on. Like for Mondays is our weekly home blessing, and Tuesdays is kind of a free day and we can plan and we can play. And so go over to our site and see what the basic weekly plan is and start thinking ahead for what you want your basic weekly plan to be. So it does not have to be exactly how FlyLady does it. You can make it work for your life. This is something that I've been learning over the past few months to a year, that I do not have to follow things the exact way that it's laid out. Just because FlyLady is doing her errands on Thursday does not mean that I have to do my errands on Thursday. Make it work for your life. Do not stress yourself out trying to fit her way into your life, but take her way, tweak it, and make it work for you so that it's something that's sustainable and something that you can keep up. So I hope you guys are with me and starting to plan, and I really see how this is going to help me not be stressed out when it comes to birthdays and those last minute gifts that I'm always buying. Leave a comment below if that's you, if you're committed to getting these gifts and presents and cards before the last minute. That's it for today's baby step. There's a calendar below with all the 31 days of baby steps. If you want to go back and do it, you can print it out and follow along with that and these videos. Subscribe to this channel to keep up with more homemaking videos that I'm going to be making, as well as other things going forward. And follow me over on Instagram if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.